these little cotton rolls, and we'll slide your expander on, okay?
Go ahead and
All
stick your
right.
chin way high up. Keep going.
You got it. Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, let me dry the left side. Set that there.
You're doing phenomenal. Good job, sweetie.
And you're just gonna feel me touching on your teeth. You can hear it click into place. You okay? And I'm just pushing a little bit there. Good. Awesome. And then I'm gonna have you use the bite stick a little bit. Open real big. Good. And bite right there. Perfect. And right there again. Got it. And how about on this side? Oh yeah, you can feel it go, can't you? One more time right there. Good. Now stay open real big. Okay, I think that's perfect.
All right, awesome. No. We're going to have you close your eyes again. You're going to hear lots of beeps, okay? Really
Stay
wide.
open real big.
So this is just us drying the glue. You okay? All right. You did phenomenal. Same thing on this side. Great job, sweetie.
Alrighty, Miss Ainsley. Alrighty, got broken wire? But no broken brackets? Well, this one. Good for you.
You're doing great. Can you taste it? Does it taste okay? Oh, good. One more time over here. You're doing great. Awesome job.